Tidio Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Tidio are in the description below. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Tidio, an all-in-one business automation tool designed to enhance customer service and boost sales through its powerful live chat, chatbot, and automation features. Tidio is built for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises that want to streamline customer communication, reduce response times, and automate repetitive tasks. One of Tidio's standout features is its live chat functionality. It allows businesses to interact with customers in real time, addressing questions and concerns instantly, which can significantly improve customer satisfaction. The chatbots in Tidio are another highlight, offering an intelligent, automated way to engage customers 24/7, answer frequently asked questions, and even handle basic support tasks without needing human intervention. Tidio also integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms, including Shopify, WordPress, Messenger, and email, so businesses can manage all communication channels from one centralized dashboard. This integration helps businesses improve their efficiency and ensures no communication is missed, whether it's on a website or through social media. The automation workflows in Tidio are a game changer. You can create personalized, automatic responses based on user actions, segmenting customers, and delivering tailored content or support based on their behavior or queries. This ensures a more personalized customer experience while saving valuable time for your support team. Tidio's analytics and reporting features provide valuable insights into your customer interactions, allowing you to track response times, customer satisfaction, and chat performance. These insights help businesses fine-tune their communication strategies to improve overall effectiveness. In conclusion, Tidio is an excellent choice for businesses looking to automate customer support, engage visitors in real time, and improve communication across multiple channels. With its live chat, chatbots, automation features, and integrations, Tidio can help streamline operations, reduce workload, and ultimately enhance the customer experience. Check out the link in the description for more information.